I think you should take me in your team.
I think no.
No? Hi, my name is Victor and I'm a partner at Madly. So I would think I am a bit creative, but I've never designed a ring and I'm not good at drawing. However, yeah, I guess I have a creative mind when it comes to concepts, storytelling and so on, and I really enjoy it. So that's why I'm so excited to do it today for the first time. I think that's really a good challenge that you are showing me, and let's see what I can come up with. So I received a brief from John for his engagement ring, and there are two things that really struck me. Is that A, they would like to be reminded of this beautiful night they had in New Zealand, where they were stargazing on that night. And B, she really loves nature, especially butterflies. So I would like to find, in my design, a way to incorporate a butterfly and also to remind them of this night sky. Yes, so I just had a look at the stones. They are really all amazing, but there is one that really struck me. It's this one. It's a round oval shape, which is very much what they like. And also the blue is really amazing. It's a very deep blue with that is attracting you and catching your eyes deep inside the stone. And then you've got all these little lights that play with with your eyes. That really reminds me of stars. So I think each time they will look at this stone, they will be really reminded of this nice memory of them. So first, I will do to do it as with the right scale. I'm drawing the finger, and then I will put the stone in the middle of the finger, so I can get it at the right proportion. Okay, now I can start. I need more time. Can you give me 5 minutes? Extra 5 minutes possible? Okay, I need more time, give me more time! Alright, so one is done, the other one is not yet finished. I hope they will like it. And I like it. I'm quite happy with it. I don't think I could have done much better.
Hello, I'm Libby.
Hi, I'm Emma, and we're both designers at Madly.
Are you ready for the design?
I gotta prepare myself. Okay.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure? And I did two designs actually.
Oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. What? So you see two butterflies
Yeah.
hugging the stone.
Not bad actually.
And I did one in white gold, and the wings have different colors because butterflies are colorful.
Yeah.
A nice dark stone with the stars inside. And then I said, okay, but maybe it will look nice also in rose gold. So I did it in rose gold with a little diamonds, step diamonds in the center.
Not bad.
But you like it because not bad means nothing.
I say it's a very good first try.
Yeah, good
Very
first
good
try.
first
Really?
Yeah.
So how much do I get? Who starts?
You first. Okay, according to brief, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10! Come on!
Yeah.
Bring it on!
And start. Feasibility, 16 out of 20.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah, not bad. So it's a bit
It's a bit what?
chunky.
Yeah, chunky is nice.
It's a bit too chunky for
But the-
engagement ring.
Yeah, but the design I received, the examples were chunky.
Okay.
Okay.
Still 16.
Okay.
Creativity.
is good.
18.
18. Why?
18. Because it's great.
That's nice. Wow. That's good scores.
Yeah, not bad.
Creativity, combining geometry and butterfly. Great with a smiley. I got the smiley there. Look.
Yes, my face.
Oh,
For first
I'm happy.
prize.
I'm very happy. Emma, what about you?
For accordance to brief, I gave you 8 out of 10.
Okay.
A little bit less. I said it ticked all the requirements. Like it has a lot of the things that they wanted in the brief in the ring. But I think we can do a little bit more. A little bit.
Okay.
And then for feasibility, I said I gave you a 15 out of 20.
Okay.
Because I'm a bit much more stricter than you.
Yeah, I'm
She's
super
harsh.
serious.
She's harsh. Oh my.
But I had the similar comments to Libby for the feasibility. A bit chunky. But I still said, very wearable. Like if you don't want a wedding band, it's still okay, for a big chunky ring. Also because the stone is big.
Yeah.
Yeah. And creativity, I gave you 18 out of 20.
Oh.
And I said I like how the two butterflies, like how you talked about the poeticness of the design just now, like how the two butterflies are there and facing the main stone, which is like their love for each
And
other.
hugging it,
Yeah, so it's like
with their wings.
their love hugging each other.
Yeah,
and then-
great story.
Aw.
It was a great story.
Yeah, that's why I gave you high marks for that.
That's nice. Accordance to brief, ticked a lot of their requirements. Okay. Feasibility, it's a little bit chunky, not sure how to stack, but it's still wearable. What do you want to stack? Ah yeah, with the wedding band.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh wow, that's a very good comment. I did not think about it. That's why you are a designer, okay. I'm happy with the points. I got a combined 84 out of 100, so definitely higher than I expected. And I'm also very happy with the experience because that was a lot of fun. And I think that they were also quite surprised by the design. Of course, it's very far from being perfect. I have many things that I can do and I can learn to make it better, but the overall looking was decent. So first of all, I would like to throw this challenge now to Maddie and Wes. Can't wait to see what they would do.